Hi there, this is Zarin Galay and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's session, I'm going to share with you guys on how to deliver a speech more efficiently and effectively. Ano ba yung mga powerful tips na kung saan makakatulong sa inyo sa tinatawag na pag-build up ng self-confidence in public? Kung nai-experience nyo rin yung tinatawag na stage fright, lalo na pag nandun ka na sa stage, talagang kakabahan ka, sa isip-isip mo nung wala ka pa doon sa stage, alam na alam mo yung sasabihin mo, but outright, nalimutan mo yung gusto mong sabihin. Guys, ano ba yung mga powerful tips na pwede natin gamitin para maibsan or para maiwasan yung tinatawag na stage fright? Anyway, hindi natin siya basta-basta maalis kasi that's normal na kakabahan ka in front of many people, no? But here are the tips. Number 1, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng be prepared na yan? Mag-impake ba dahil darating ang ulan or darating ang dilubyo or calamity, whatever. Sinabi natin be prepared, no? Especially when you have a scheduled speech or scheduled message to deliver or even report to discuss or present in your classmates or teacher or instructor. So all you have to do is try to search more. Be a resourceful speaker. Huwag ka lang basta-basta mag-focus doon sa ginawa mong speech and research more regarding the event or the topic that you're going to discuss na kung saan suitable doon sa event or mga audience na kausapin mo or bibigyan mo ng mensahe. And yun, maghanap ka ng mga materials na kung saan pwede mong gamitin, especially those saying, no, na kung saan makakatulong at connected doon sa speech mo. Okay? So kasama yung tinatawag na practice. Okay? Practice and practice. Please lang, ito yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Gawin nyo lang siyang guide, pero during your speech, wag naman yung doon na lang kayo nakatingin kasi it's boring, no? Boring. But all you have to do is make it as a guide. Wag nyong tignan na lang palagi. Kung nandun ka na sa harapan, para lang kayong nag-uusap, nagbibigay ka ng mensahe na kung saan parang you try to influence the mindset of your audience. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Okay? Yon, practice and practice. Kasi sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. Okay? Practice makes perfect. Yon. Prepare all your materials. Another powerful tip is, so just imagine that your audience is only an animal or a grass or a tree. So just simple. As simple as that. Kasi minsan kaya tayo kinakabahan kasi masyado tayong overthinking. No? Iniisip natin na baka magkamali tayo sa sasabihin natin, then pagtawanan tayo. So yun yung mga mindset ng mga speakers, especially those beginners. So yun yung number 2 powerful tip. Another one is, okay, the number 3 tip, be true to yourself. Okay, be true to yourself. Technically, karamihan sa mga speaker ay nagiging exaggerated sa kanilang mga sinasabi. Kasi minsan kahit hindi nila kayang panindigan yung sinasabi nila ay talagang nilalabas nila. So that is not a good sign of being a speaker. Kasi nga, especially kung ang kaharap mo or yung audience mo ay professional, so magiging awkward, no, yung palabas nung speech mo. So try to be true to yourself. Kung ano lang yung kaya mo, ano lang yung kaya mong panindigan, yung totoong ginagawa mo, then yun lang yung sabihin mo. Huwag mong sabihin yung hindi mo kaya. Huwag kang magbigay ng advice or payo na kung saan hindi mo kayang gampanan. No? You are trying to influence other people. Hindi mo kaya. So that is really an awkward. So be true to yourself. Magbigay ka ng mensahe na kung saan suitable lang sa iyong position. Okay? So that is number 3. And another one, number 4. Accept your fear. Tanggapin mo yung takot. Okay? Paano ba yun? Yung accept your fear na yan. Pag sinabi natin accept your fear na yan, ay ibig sabihin guys, ay dapat wag mong kalabanin. Wag mong kalabanin yung takot mo. Instead of isipin mo na, normal lang yan. Sige lang, matakot ka lang. Just imagine that and believe me guys, your fear will be lessened. Mababawasan yung fear mo or anxiety mo. Yun na lang muna. Kung meron kayong comment or any suggestion or recommendation, or kung meron kayong gustong itanong sa akin, then just comment below in this video, then sasagutin natin yun. So much for watching this video and maraming salamat.